Hello, I am Dr. Che, and in this video I would teach you some common phrasal verbs that you can use for your informal letters. As you know, this is letter writing course, and letter writing course is especially for IELTS General Training Task 1 and for any English learner also. This is my channel Learn with Dr. Che. If you go to playlist of my channel, if you click on playlist of my channel, you can see free courses on essay writing, grammar, 54 videos in essay, grammar in 50 videos, vocabulary 73 videos, and now I am going to upload task 1 also. This is an overview of my essay, letter writing course. This the first of all overview of general training task 1, band descriptors, types of letters, how to write formal letter, informal letter, semi-formal letter. Then I would teach you some top 10 tips for letter writing, common phrasal verbs, contraction, how to useful language for each type of letter, complaint, inquiry, request. I would write more than 12 model letters in my course, and I would teach you step by step. So open playlist of my channel and watch complete course in order. Link is given below in the description box. What are phrasal verbs? Phrasal verbs are when a verb is combined with a preposition or an adverb. It is called phrasal verb. Phrasal verbs would usually have different meanings from its original verb's meaning. For example, put is you put up something at some place, at some position, but put off is a phrasal verb mean to postpone. So this is the difference. Use of phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs are usually used in informal language, and only informal language in IELTS exam is what? Informal letters. We use them phrasal verbs in our daily life conversations. In IELTS we use them only in informal letters, and they are not too much. There are just a few phrasal verbs that we commonly use. Avoid using phrasal verbs in academic or formal writings. Let us start learning common words. These are common words. You don't need to learn a complete and long list of phrasal verbs. There are only common phrasal verbs in this video that are common in your letters, IELTS letter. Formal, these are formal ones, these are informal. Some are not phrasal verbs, they are just normal formal and informal language, and most of them are phrasal verbs. Postpone is formal and put off is informal. Examine is formal, look at would be informal. This is phrasal verbs. Inquire is formal, and ask about or ask is informal. Require is formal, need is informal. Assist, to assist someone is formal. Help or to give a hand is informal. Permit, give permission is formal, and let is informal. Please subscribe to my channel and look at the description box for updates and links to my Facebook groups. Like and comment to encourage me. Share with other students to help them. Subscribe and press bell icon to get more free courses on vocabulary, grammar, writing, and all of these modules. So our next word is to depart, to set off. Increase, grow up. Don't use increase in informal letters. Go up. Decrease, go down. To request, don't use request in informal. In informal letters, use to ask for. To visit, to come over. Ensure is formal word. You use make sure for informal letters. To collect is formal word. To pick up is informal. Is usually used in the IELTS letter. To discuss is formal. Use to talk about. This is informal, to talk about. To receive is formal. To get is informal. To quit is formal. To give up is informal. To quit formal and to give up is informal. To seek is formal. To look for is informal. To seek is formal and to look for is informal. Attend is formal. Attend is formal and come to is informal. To contact, don't use to contact with informal. In informal we use to get in touch. Discover is formal. Find out is informal. Consider is formal. Think about is informal. To inform is formal. To fill in is informal. To reduce is formal. To cut down on is informal. So use make a complete list of formal and informal language, and if you learn on any other place some formal and informal language, then also note them in this list. So memorize them and learn them to use in your informal letters. I would teach you in more detail informal language while writing model letters in my course. So after watching my complete letter writing course, you would be able to write very good letters. But remember, take some feedback from any true IELTS expert before taking the exam. I would start my correction service in the last 6 months of 2021. I would work together with an IELTS expert from UK, native English teacher, to provide you advanced, comprehensive and cheap writing correction service. This is my Facebook ID. Stay in touch with me if I can start this service earlier. Also join my Facebook group for updates. Please subscribe to my channel. Look at the description box for updates and links to my Facebook groups. Like and comment to encourage me. Share with other students to help them. And subscribe and press bell icon to get more free courses on vocabulary, grammar, writing, speaking, listening and reading also. Thank you very much.